seen any diesels, Thomas?
I can see you.
Not me. The other diesels. They've disappeared. Where's Salty? Is he missing too? Something is making all the diesels disappear.
Don't talk nonsense, Paxton. Salty went by 5 minutes ago.
Ha ha! Somebody mentioned my name.
Oh, Salty! Thank goodness you're still here.
Ah, you're burning fuel over nothing. The other diesels will turn up soon enough.
Oh, do you really think so, Salty?
Oh, no doubt about it, matey. Ha ha! Cool your pistons and fill your tank again.
After all the rushing around, Paxton's fuel was getting low.
I bet my buffers, at the end of the day, the diesels will be back at the diesel works where they belong. Ha ha ha!
And here's Diesel himself.
Diesel? Where?
Shh, Cranky. Who asked you to put your hook in?
Diesel, wait! Come back!
Paxton doesn't give up easily. I'll give him that.
Diesel, wait!
Yes? Can I help you, Diesel?
Is that Diesel over there, Reg?
No, it isn't.
But that did sound like Diesel.
That's because it is Diesel, Paxton.
No, it's not. I'm a truckload of sausages.
Sausages? Diesel, wait! Come back!
Oh, what do you want to go chasing after him for?
He's my friend!
Is he really?
But no sooner had he pulled off the mainland than he ran out of fuel.
No, my tank can't be empty.
Finally! Diesel, I've been worried. All the diesels have gone missing.
We weren't missing. We were hiding from you.
Oh, well, that's not a very good hiding place, Diesel. I can see you.
I know. I didn't expect to stop.
A better hiding place would be behind a shed, or some bushes, or even up at the quarry.
I know. I didn't plan to hide here, but I ran out of fuel and...
Oh, well, why didn't you say so?
What are you doing?
I'm shunting you to the next station so you can get some more fuel.
Oh,
Diesel didn't know what to make of this. He hadn't been very kind to Paxton, but Paxton was being very kind to him. Diesel didn't know what to say. He didn't like to say thank you, so he didn't say it.
why did you help me?
That's what friends are for.
Paxton was just happy to have found Diesel again. He was even happier when he got back to the diesel works and found the other diesels there.
Hello? I was looking for you.
Diesel came back to the sheds and backed into the berth beside Paxton. He still didn't manage to say thank you, but he did manage a friendly smile. And that was enough to make Paxton smile too.
Come on, you two. Chop, chop. Marion needs you to collect some clay.
We can't, Timothy. We've run out of coal.
What? But there's no steam without coal. What am I supposed to do now?
Don't look at me.
Oh, go on, Timothy. Go and fetch some coal for us, please.
Well, I guess I could. After all, I've still got plenty of oil in my fuel tank.
So it was Timothy who delivered the clay to Brendam Docks. And found cars loaded with coal ready and waiting for him.
Here comes the coal. About time. Me first? No, me.
Since neither of you are going anywhere yet, you won't mind if I go first.
Oh, what? Not fair.
Bill, Ben, is there anything you want to say to Timothy?
Thanks, Timothy.
And...
Sorry. Sorry we were silly.
And...
And sorry we made fun of you. Yes, and while we're two of a kind, being like you, the only oil-burning engine on the whole of Sodor, is kind of special and really useful. When we've run out of coal.
Speed up, Thomas! Speed up! I don't want to get stuck again!
But Thomas didn't speed up. He went slower and slower until...
No! I'm stuck again.
It looks like I'm going faster than you after all.
Oh.
Hello, Gordon. Have you given up following Thomas already?
Thomas tricked me, Edward. He went too slow.
Oh, dear. But I must say, you don't seem very reliable. Always getting stuck on your own hill.
Wait, Edward! You need to give me a push.
Oh, but I didn't think you needed any help from me. After all, I'm so old and unreliable.
But I do need your help. I promise not to call you old or unreliable anymore. Please!
Okay, Gordon. I think you've learned your lesson now. And what do you say?
Oh, the indignity.
Sorry?
I mean, thank you. Thank you, Edward.
You're welcome, Gordon. Anytime.